just uploaded the video in which my dad and I were heading from Texas up to Chicago, and soon after I pressed that little red upload button, I'm now back heading from Chicago to Texas. This has been quite the theme, just driving, nothing but driving. This is where the journey begins. Welcome, we're on the road trip, another 13 hours to go. What a joy. Last night was kind of hectic. I almost fell asleep. I was doing some serious hallucinating on the road, but we made it safe and sound back to Illinois at my parents' crib. Again, huge shout out to my parents for being so amazing, watching the pup and allowing us to stay at their place. But I'm with the guys now, and we are on the road. We just clocked in about 2 hours, give or take. I don't really know. Doesn't matter. It's gloomy and it's rainy, and the reason why we're leaving early to Texas is because the current air temp is, well, it's actually not that bad. It's 43 degrees Fahrenheit, but back home it was 37 degrees Fahrenheit, just above freezing, 22 to 25 mile per hour wind, and it's gloomy as shit. It's so nasty out. I don't even want to like be in the state anymore, let alone fish here. So we've made the executive decision to get the hell out of Dodge and just drive now. Why not? This has been the most spontaneous trip I've taken in quite some time. Is this the longest road trip you guys have ever taken?
Nearly.
This road trip is longer than England.
Yeah.
We drove the width span of England with you guys, and that was what, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours? How long was that?
Yeah, I was like 5.
Thoroughly pumped to join us on this road trip. We may even stop with some ponds on the way. I don't know. Hopefully it gets warmer the farther we go south. I mean, that would make sense, right? And then these guys have also never been to like a Bass Pro Shop or Cabela's, so seeing two kids from England check out like quite possibly the largest fishing retailers in the world would be kind of an interesting thing to film. So we're just gonna get creative today. The boat is, oh yeah, it's still back there. We're doing great. Welcome to the North to South Tour, part 2. Hello. First stop, got tire pressure gauge, orbit for a clean mouth, some water, because hydration is key, and a little bit of protein.
Welcome. Please wait for confirmation.
What do you guys think? Do you want me to drive for a bit? No, not yet. When I'm really tired, I'll have you drive. How about you, Alex?
Good.
This got his own little, look at that, back to a little editing workshop.
Keep editing.
Nice,
So.
keep editing, never stop. Keep filling your tires up, never stop. All right, we're out of here, boys. Let's hit the road. Another 700 miles to go. Oh my God, what did you just do?
I just threw your camera bag on the floor.
Oh my God.
I might as well have just thrown your camera bag
You
on the floor.
putz. I love how I just got you guys doing both of. You literally have, oh, okay. Okay. Definitely brought too many rods on this trip. Never can you ever have too many rods on a big trip. You guys hungry?
Yeah.
Let's get some food. Lock the rigged runner. Woo, she's locked. They keep asking me to take them to American food joints, and I chose today the Missouri Hick Barbecue. Seems like a great place to bring 2 kids from England. If we're not filming at the lake, we're filming in a restaurant. That's just kind of how this trip's been going. Nothing wrong with that though. Food is always very filmable. I'm a brisket guy. You guys can get whatever you want, but I would recommend the brisket. Just let me know if you have any questions.
What is a brisket?
It's thinly sliced beef.
Thank you very much.
Looks great, thank you. Mint. So, boys, thoughts on barbecue in the United States?
It's very nice.
It's filling.
Yeah. Yeah.
Success.
Road trip fuel.
Yeah, like Carl said, much needed road trip fuel. After this, I think we've got another 8 hours to go. Either this is gonna help me or put me to sleep, so we'll see. Success! Good barbecue, good vibe, good queue, and the boys liked it. Said it was the best beef they've ever had, or at least in a long time. That to me is a huge success. Where are the keys? Got them. Oh, I'm full. Bilge button right there. Oh yeah, that's awesome. What happens when you drive in continuous rain for 5 hours without a boat cover? It's kind of a lot of water. Oh! She's almost done pissing. Oh, look at that. We are now running 2 batteries. Shout out to my buddy Bill for informing me that you need 2 12-volt batteries in order for a 24-volt toy motor to work. This was a last-minute hotel rig-up job. Thankfully, the boat came with 1 battery already, and we picked one up along the way, and this took a matter of 10 minutes. Shout out to these homies for also helping out a ton. Where are you at? There he is. Rather than driving all the way through the night, arriving in some random spot in Oklahoma, I figured we'd just stop off here in Missouri and just pull a heavy audible. I'll explain when we get into the hotel room. Right now I'm just super stoked. I gotta turn off my car. Let's get inside. You guys are cold. It's like 32 degrees. It's nipply. Good looks, good looks. We're here. Time for a brief plant overview for the rest of this road trip journey. One thing I will note is that Alex is definitely stoked about tomorrow. Zonked. It's been kind of a crazy journey. I don't think if I was so wired right now, I would be talking to the camera, but I'm like ready to go. I could have driven through the night easily. We could have made it to Dallas, no problem. But I want to make the most of this trip for these guys, and I don't want to sleep as much as we would have yesterday. Anywho, I'm curious. Those of you guys watching right now, what is your favorite and most memorable road trip you've ever taken? Doesn't have to be a good road trip, could have been a bad one. Just something you remember. There's just so much that goes on road trips. Like this audible. I don't know if this is gonna work. I have no idea. Fingers crossed though, right? Okay, you guys wanna try some beers before you pass out?
What makes it pass?
First one you guys are gonna try is Bud Light Platinum in a 24-ounce can. I don't know, 6% alcohol. What do you think? Thoughts?
That's right, actually, it's quite refreshing. That's actually nicer than most beers I've had.
Really?
Yeah.
It's just like a maybe sweeter and less
Yeah, it's definitely a bit sweet.
potent than UK stuff.
Okay. Okay, so what would you rate that out of 10? Out of all the beers you've had in the past?
7.
Wow.
9. What?
Wow, that's generous. Okay.
Yeah.
Next one's we got Busch Light. This is a good American beer.
These cans are gigantic.
It's pretty damn similar, if I'm honest.
I can't notice the difference at all.
There is a difference, but not very
But not much. Okay, okay.
I'll tell you what the difference is. That got an S and a C and an H.
Instead of just a D.
D.
Yeah, okay. Oh, this is a good one. You guys should be able to taste the difference in this one. This one is third beer we're gonna try is Budweiser. I love how giant these cans are. They don't sell tiny cans unless you buy a 6-pack.
Okay, yeah.
This is what we saw in St. Louis.
Yeah.
All right, Budweiser.
Nice. It's fine. I actually prefer the other one.
The other two? Yeah.
A little bit. But
Okay. So this is like, as far as alcohol level goes, that's kind of like below that one, and then Bud Light is like right here. This is the one that you guys are really, really gonna like. Natty Light, Natural Light.
No.
This is the college beer of choice.
Okay.
Kind of, sort of. Depends on where you're at.
That's not even beer, is it? It's not beer. It's like water.
I just find that tastes the same as one of those.
Oh, I tried. That's supposed to be the worst one out of all of
That is
them.
water.
Yeah.
Yeah, this does. Yeah,
I hope
does
that
have
was
much
cheap.
Flavor.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm glad
This
you
is
did.
literally like it is. I think water. Brewed in America though, since 1977.
That's piss juice.
Nice. There you have it.
I
4
think
different beers.
I think.
What was your favorite out of all of them?
To be totally honest, I think the Bud Light wins.
I think the first one was the
Bud
best.
Light wins, yeah.
The Bud Light
we
Platinum.
both agree. That's it.
I actually agree with that statement. I mean, they're not supposed to be amazing beers, but out of all of them, that's the one I would choose. The Brits did some good old-fashioned American beer taste testing. It's done. The road trip is over, just for now. We still have a 7-hour hike down south to Dallas, Texas. But for now, we're taking it easy. We're gonna fish tomorrow, and I'm also gonna take these guys to, I believe, the first ever Bass Pro Shop ever. I'm not positive it is the official one, but to my knowledge, it is the first one ever. It's huge. In my opinion, it's honest to God like the coolest one. I've never been to the Pyramid one, but I think this one is the coolest. I've been to quite a few. I want to hopefully try to put them on their first ever spotted bass, since they've yet to catch one and they don't have any in England. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching today's video. I feel like there's something else I wanted to ask you, but I guess I don't. I'm gonna crank out this here edit right there, and then once that's complete, I'm gonna go to bed because between the brisket and the long road trip and thinking about how cold it's gonna be tomorrow on the water, I've just put myself in a lull, and I need to go to bed. But first, a little bit of editing. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Again, be sure to check out Carl and Alex's channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. Farewell, peace, good fishing, and as always, my folks at home, keep fishing.